Alright, take 2. Storage cut out. Just deleted some footage. Go from there. This will be the last upload for now, apart from the ones that are on the tablet. And I'll delete the lot, and then that'll be it until tomorrow. Because I am really, really busy today, as usual. Come on. Happy caravans. Come on. Yeah. Quite light in here. That's about it. Nothing else to show, I don't think. Let's do a quick recap. I'll lose the footage. Okay. Without slipping over and breaking my neck. Oh, I do see someone. Maggie, look. There he is. Oh, a pair of them. Look. Let's zoom into her. Pair of lovers. Beautiful. They slept out in the tree when I was here the other week ago. Lovebirds. Look at them. There they go. Trying to find stuff. Who's out the front? No. Oh, that's going off again. Off and on! No, they've gone back through there. Oh, is that Sprinter? No. That's gone off again. That's going around in circles. Look. Circles. Alright, everyone, have a good Thursday. And it comes back on again. That's what I put up with it. It's just the internet connection is not mega. That's it. Anyway, look, I'm going to go from here. I've got so much to do, work and stuff. Speak to you all later. Have a good Thursday, whatever you're doing. But this is Happy Land. Happy Land. If you're down this way, you need accommodation, message me. Because I got 3. Look, who's gone through there? Maggie, look. Yeah, somewhere in there. No one else? Any quackers? No quackers. Okay, onwards and out of here. See you. Have a good day. What is it? Thursday, 24th of April 2025. Bye.